All right. I believe we've all been able to create the project, right? So let's talk about the Java main class boilerplate, right? So this is the Java main class boilerplate that helps. That okay? Let me remove all of this. So this is the boilerplate that helps you run your Java code. It's your Java project entry point, right? So you can see we have public here. We have public static main void. Then this method, then the argument, which is an array of strings, right? So I'll explain the essence of this public keyword, the static keyword, and the void keyword, right? So for in Java, right, for you to create a project, you need to use some keywords, right? So this public keyword now, what this public keyword does is it helps enables this main method to be accessible globally on this project, right? So if you have, let's say, private, you can see the code is already highlighting this main method, and if you hover on it, you'll be seeing method main does not have signature public static void main. Private method is never used, right? So you're not allowed to use private keyword for your Java code entry point, right? You, there are other keywords, but for now we'll just be talking about this public keyword. So this static method helps Java to run whatever code that is inside of this without having to instantiate an instance of this class. So let me explain that with another method. So let's say we have public void main, right? And we have string arguments. This, right? Um, so let's say one. Or let's say yes, let's say one, right? So you say no, print line, print line, hello. So you can see that this code block, this method, let's say, right, does not have the static keyword, but this one has a static keyword. So to run this now, right, we'll have to instantiate an instance of this main method before we'll be able to run it. So let me let's say with instance okay, sorry, main objects equal to main, right? So now say objects dot main one, then not pass the arguments. So this is what Java is trying not to do with this static keyword. Java does not want to start instantiating this method to this main method to run whatever code is in it. That's why we are using having the static keyword, right? So if I should run this, so let's see what happens. Um, yes, you can see hello world. You can see the hello world we are printing out here is what is showing on the terminal, right? So um so if I don't want to do all of this, right, I'll just take this off, right? Then use this that with the static keyword, and I'll get the same results. right? So I'll get the same results with that, right? So that is yes. So we have hello world. So that is the reason for this static keyword. So we don't start instantiating instances of the class to run whatever code we have inside the class. We just run it direct. So the void keyword also means that this method is not supposed to return any value, right? You're not supposed to say return see already it's already saying that this is not necessary, return is unnecessary, as the last statement is a void method, right? So because this is void, we are unable to return anything. But if I say int, if I change this to int, which is data type, integer data type, right? This will start expecting us to return something. You can see it's saying return value, so I'll have to return something here. I have to return a value here for this to work. But this is, again, this is not the Java boilerplate, so this will break, right? So what we are expected to just use this void keyword and not return anything, right? So this is how the Java keyword, like these are the reasons why we use these keywords in Java, right? So let's talk about um, the JDK. Let's talk about the JDK. JDK, right? So the JDK is an abbreviation for Java Development Kit. So this a kit is like your first aid kit or whatever kit you use. So and a kit usually contains or yes, a kit usually contains multiple other things inside of it, right? So this Java development kit comes with a lot of stuff, right? This Java development kit comes with the Java compiler. Sorry, so let me highlight this so that you'll be able to see what we are writing. So this um, Java development kit comes with one the Java compiler. It also comes with the sorry. It also comes with the Java runtime environment. Right. It also comes with the Java interpreter, right? Java interpreter, right? So let's talk about the Java compiler. Okay, let's talk about the Java compiler. So the Java compiler is what helps us compile the Java code into byte code that actually runs the Java. So let's say in a case where you have like a file with the Java a .java extension, right? So the Java compiler helps you compile that .java file and convert into a class file, right? So that class file contains bytecode that runs your actual Java program, right? So that's the essence of this Java compiler. So we also have the Java runtime environment. So after this Java compiler has compiled your Java code into bytecode, this Java runtime environment helps run that Java bytecode, right? So that's the essence of this Java runtime environment. It helps you run the Java code. So the good thing is, when you download your JDK comes with all of this and even more. Your JDK comes with a lot of this. I think I have a pic a picture explaining um this. Let me see. Yes. So this is your, like I said, this is your Java file, right? So when you use the Java compiler, right, the Java compiler compiles this your Java code into a dot class file, a bytecode dot class file. So this um, class file is what is now um, run on the Java virtual environment, which is the Java runtime environment, right? So this Java virtual environment is now what you have on your system, like your Mac or your Windows or your whatever device you use, right? It's like maybe your Linux or whatever, right? So this Java runtime environment is what helps run that Java code. So without this, your Java code will not be able to run. Without the Java runtime environment, your Java will not be able to run. And the good thing is, when you install the JDK, you have all of this all of these kits installed on your system. That's why it's called JDK, because it comes with all of this. It's a kit that comes with all of these packages to help you run your Java code, right? I think I will be able to give an explanation, a bit better um, explanation to that. But let me see what I can do. Okay, so this is my what's it called? This is this is my terminal, right? So let me see if I have any Java file here. Mm, okay, so let's create one Java file with what we have here. um, so let's copy all of this and create a Java file. No, um, studies studies 123.java, right? So I'll paste all of this inside, right, and exit. So if you check now, you should see the file, right? So what I would do now is, I would, based on the diagram I showed earlier. Yes, based on this diagram, I would use the Java compiler to compile that Java file I created into a .class file. Then I'll try to run it and see what happens, right? So okay, so I would say I would say Java studies.java, right? Okay, the class name is public, should be declared in the file named. Oh, okay. So yes, so it's complaining that my file should be named main.java. So let's create another main.java file, right? Right. So I've created the main dot I've created the main.java file, right? So I'll try to compile this um this Java file, and yes, so we have main.class file now. It's not showing. Okay, this is it. Yes. So this is it. So based on this diagram, we've been able to compile this java file to a class bytecode file, right? So this class bytecode file is what we'll use to run the Java code. So let's say I run Java main. Okay, my system is hanging. My system is hanging.